In this video we'll look at how you can retrieve the details of a data object by using the object ID using Zapier. So we'll head over to Zapier, and I've got an object ID here because I updated and created it in previous steps in Zapier. Of course, how you get to the point of triggering this action varies completely on what you do and what software you're using elsewhere and what your process is. So review the other videos we've got for Zapier on how you retrieve the ID or create data objects and contacts if you're not sure. But I'm going to carry on from this step where I already have the ID. So we can go and we can add another step. So what I want to do is I want to go and get all the field values of this data object. So we'll go and add a Macanta action, a Zapier action for Macanta, and we're going to say get data object via item ID. We can continue that, and we just choose our account. So now it asks us for the item ID, which I have from here because this is where I created it. So I'll just scroll down here, and there's my item ID. Go continue. So this will now retrieve that item. So if I go test, it comes back green, and you can see we've got all our values that have been pulled through. So now I'll be able to use any of those values in the next step in my Zap and send that elsewhere or update it in Macanta or whatever I need to do. But that's how you would perform that action. And then what the next step is depends entirely on what you need to do with this.